Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to show you a tool that I picked up that I thought was pretty good. It's the Holt Industries Master Oil Funnel Kit by Harbor Freight. That's item number 56892. It's pretty new, it just came out. It's a spill-proof oil filling, large capacity, 1¼ quarts. It comes with 12 different color-coded adapters, and it really has every adapter that you need. I mean, all types here. New and old BMW, Volkswagen, new and old Chrysler, new and old GM. Has a 45-degree angle spout for hard to get to areas. I've got the old style Chrysler in there. It's a 2.0 Chrysler motor. Here's the cylinder that it's held in. And it's got like a little screen down there, but it's not very fine, so it'll let, smaller objects through that a fine mesh screen wouldn't. It's got a cap, open and close, in case you wanted to fill it and walk away for any reason, to get more oil or whatever, so no debris gets in there. And this is the front of it. So we're going to use it and see how it turns out. Let me get some oil. Alright, we got some oil and we're going to start pouring in. I also forgot to mention that they all have little O-rings and gaskets around everything so nothing leaks. You see there, it's got O-rings and gaskets and a cap for when you pull it off so you don't leak oil everywhere. Let's get this thing poured in, see what happens. And I still managed to spill some off to the side, looking through the camera. Alright, that's full to the top. And as you can see, it goes down pretty quickly. See if there's any change with the cap on. Oh yeah. So it goes much slower with the cap on. So we'll just pop the seal there and let it go down. That should be right around what I need in oil, 4.5 quarts. But as you can see, the only little bit of spillage was me looking through the camera trying to pour it, being silly. But other than that, seems like it worked out pretty well. Another pretty nice feature that I see about this is the ability to keep the jug inside the container while it's filling. And now this is a gallon jug, so it'll definitely hold a quart as well, but you can get every last little bit of oil out draining down inside that you want. But overall, this is a great kit. I mean, Harbor Freight really hit the nail on the head with this one. Really good kit. It'll help you from spilling oil everywhere. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.